I just finished installing this chandelier and it turned out great. Let me show you some of the features that I really like. So first of all, let's get up close so you can see how it looks. It's got a nice matte black finish. It's very durable. Durable is not the word. It's high quality. It doesn't feel cheap or flexible or anything like that. Everything feels really good. Underneath, you can see it's got a little cover that you install at the end of installation. I think it gives it a nice polished, finished look. Then up on top, you have the chains, and that is adjustable. So as you need, you can take out a chain to get it to the right length. Most of the information I found on the websites or on asking Google said you wanted to install it anywhere from 30 to 36 to 42 inches from the ceiling, depending on the height of your ceiling. Now the wiring of it was pretty simple. There's a white goes to white and black goes to black, and there's a ground. There's no problem at all. And as you can see, I'll show you from up top, you can see the light bulbs. There's 4 light bulbs. It recommends 60-watt bulbs, and I'll show you here, you can use a dimmable setup. Oh, wrong one. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. So if it's a candlelight dinner and you want it lighter, you can do that. Or if you want it brighter to do some work, you can turn it up. Very nice fixture, light fixture, chandelier. I think it turned out great. I'm impressed with it. I recommend it. Here's a quick unboxing video so you can see how well it's packaged. That is the little round piece that goes at the bottom. But look how it's packaged so well in the foam. Everything was safe and sound. There was no damage at all. That's a big, thick foam piece right there. And then you see where the light bulbs go.